What's up, YouTube? This is tjlive5. This is an unboxing of my Delta Airbus A330-300, and I would like to say that if you know where to get one of these, get it. Do not wait. I had a hard time finding one of these. Really hard time finding one. Do not hesitate to get this crap. So there you go. That's all the information. I know you don't want to read that, so let's get to the unboxing. There you go. Put that there. Yay, the best part of getting a new plane is taking it out the box. Alright, there you go. Just like any other review for a Delta A330 you might have seen. There you go. It's a nice model. And again, if you see one of these, get it. Don't wait. Seriously, don't. Gemini Jets. There you go. This one, we'll head right here to Terminal E.